In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect buttons to a Notion database, a process often referred to as setting up button automations. This is a great way to make your Notion pages more interactive and functional, especially if you're managing a lot of projects and need quick actions right at your fingertips. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Notion page where you want the button to live. If you haven't got a specific page in mind yet, I recommend creating a new page dedicated to the tasks or projects you work on most frequently. This isn't strictly necessary, but a bit of organization always helps in the long run. Once you're on the desired Notion page, you're ready to add your button. Simply type /button directly into your page. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear as you start typing. From this menu, select Button. It's intuitive and straightforward, which is one of the reasons Notion is so popular for productivity enthusiasts. This action will insert a default button onto your page. Now that your button is on the page, it's time to customize it. Click on the button and you'll see various customization options. Here, you'll be able to specify what exactly you want the button to do when it's clicked. Do you want it to add a new entry to a table or database? Or maybe you want it to perform an action that involves appending date information or specific tags. In this phase, clarity is key. Try to have a clear objective in mind for what you wish to achieve with this button. Within the customization options, be sure to specify the action you want the button to perform. Notion gives you flexibility here. You can decide whether the button adds a new page, duplicates an existing one, or simply edits properties of a current item. Just make sure to tailor the button's functionality to fit your specific use case. Pay attention to the details during the setup phase. For instance, assign a recognizable name to your button. This improves usability, especially if you're creating multiple buttons with different functions. Also, remember to test the button after setting it up to ensure it works as intended. Simply press the button to confirm if the desired action executes smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a button in Notion that interacts with your database. This small feature can significantly enhance your productivity, providing a seamless way to automate and streamline your tasks. By integrating buttons into your Notion workflow, you create a more dynamic and responsive workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Notion experience is now more connected and effective.